Hello dear students, in this session let us discuss about Biot-Savart law. It is also called Laplace law. As per Karnataka board examination is concerned, the Laplace law or Biot-Savart law is the most expected question for your theory examination. We will discuss about statement as well as what? The explanation of Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. It is also called Laplace law. See, one of the practical application of Biot-Savart law is we can determine magnetic field at a point due to the small current element. If we consider any small current element, if it is producing the magnetic field in the nearby space, the magnetic field at any point due to this small current element can be determined with the help of what? The Biot-Savart law. Then what is current element here? What is current element? If we consider small part of a current carrying conductor of length dl. I am not going to consider entire current carrying conductor here. So in that current carrying conductor, just will consider a small part of length dl in which current I is flowing, and that small part of a conductor will call it as a current element I in that. This current element of course is going to produce the magnetic field. The magnetic field produced by such a small current element can be determined with help of what? The Biot-Savart law. So in order to understand the Biot-Savart law, let me consider a wire in which current I is flowing. I is a current which is flowing through the wire here, conducting wire. Okay. Of course, as per magnetic effect of electric current, this entire wire is going to produce the magnetic field. The complete wire magnetic field is produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. But Biot-Savart law ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Biot-Savart law ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, and each segment is going to produce what? The magnetic field, and the magnetic field produced by small segment of a current carrying wire can be determined with help of what? Biot-Savart law. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ entire wire ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು small part ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is the small part of a wire. So this is the small part of a conductor of length dl. dl is a length of what? This small part of a conductor in which current I is flowing, and this small part of a conductor will call it as a current element, and magnetic field produced at point P. Say for example P is a point, and this point is at a distance of what? R from the current element. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿ ಎಲ್. So this dl will make an angle theta with what? The position of a point P, or else it is also called displacement vector anta kariteve. What is theta here? Theta is an angle made by displacement vector with what? Current element. And at this point P, what is the magnetic field produced by this small current element or this part of a conductor is given by what? Biot-Savart law. According to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field magnetic field dB, magnetic field dB at a point P is, first it is directly proportional to, concentrate here, this is directly proportional to current I. How much is the magnetic field at point P, which is directly proportional to how much current which is flowing through what? This dl. Second, it is directly proportional to length dl of what? The current element. Third one, it is also directly proportional to sin theta. As position of a point P from the current element goes on, changes, the value of theta changes. When the value of theta changes, definitely the magnetic field strength is also going to change. Say for example, if the point P is here, of course, this will call it as a theta. As position of a point changes, the value of theta is going to changes. Hence, the magnetic field is also going to changes. 4. The same magnetic field is inversely proportional to r square. What is r square? Square of the distance of a point P from the current element, and it is called the statement of Biot-Savart law. Concentrate on the statement of the Biot-Savart law. What is the statement here? Magnetic field at point P due to small current element is, first it is directly proportional to current flowing through a element. Second, it is directly proportional to length of this element. Third one, it is also directly proportional to what? Sin theta. The lastly, it is inversely proportional to square of the distance r of a point P from the current element. Then what I can write? If you summarize, I can write this as magnetic field dB. Magnetic field dB is proportional to, first it is proportional to I. Second, it is proportional to what? Length dl. Third, it is proportional to what? Sin theta divided by what? R square. Further, we will extend our discussion. Then dB equals to some constant, proportionality constant k into what? I dl sin theta divided by what? R. What is R here? What is K here? K is a proportionality constant. The value of that proportionality constant is given by mu naught divided by 4 pi. K is a proportionality constant and the value of K is given by K is equals to mu naught divided by 4 pi. Therefore, what I can write now? dB equals to, the value of K is mu naught divided by, so dB is equals to value of K. We will substitute the value of K here. If you substitute the value of K, dB equals to mu naught divided by 4 pi. It is I dl sin theta divided by what? R square, which is an expression for magnetic field at a point P due to what? The small current element can be determined with help of what? The Biot-Savart law. Then what is mu naught here? Of course, the mu naught is a constant. Mu naught is constant and its value is given by 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. The value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter is called permeability. Is called permeability of free space. Is called permeability of what? Free space. And this is the formula which is used to determine the magnetic field produced by a small current element. Generally in the examination they will ask you to state and explain Biot-Savart law. What is your statement? Magnetic field dB at a point P due to the small current element is directly proportional to current I, is directly proportional to length dl, it is directly proportional to sin theta, and lastly it is inversely proportional to square of the distance of a point P from the current element. That is dB is proportional to what? I dl sin theta divided by r square, or dB equals to some constant k into ideal sin theta by r square. What is k here? K is a proportionality constant and its value is given by mu naught by 4 pi. Further, mu naught equals to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter is a constant, and that constant we will call it as a permeability of what? Free space. Now we will try to write this Biot-Savart law in vector form. How you are writing the Biot-Savart law in vector form? So concentrate here. Here of course current has a direction, but current is a scalar quantity. Current is a scalar quantity. Concentrate here. Current is scalar quantity. Then which are vector quantities here? So R is a vector. Why R is called vector? Because it is called displacement vector. As position of a particle changes, the direction of the R is going to changes. R is called a displacement vector, therefore it is a vector. And dl, of course dl is also a vector. Why? Because as orientation of the dl changes, the strength of the magnetic field is also going to changes, and the direction of the dl change aitandre magnetic field at a given point is also changes, therefore the dl is vector here, and further R is also vector. Concentrate here, current is a scalar physical quantity. How you are writing this in vector form? I will write the same expression as dB equals to mu naught divided by 4 pi I as it is. Okay. Here dl sin theta. I will multiply as well as divide by R here. Multiplied by R and divided by R. What should be our answer? dl into R multiplied by R sin theta divided by R. Already we have R square here. If you divide by R, it will be R cube. Same can be written as ideal sin theta divided by R square can be written as ideal R sin theta divided by what? R cube. Further, dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi I as it is. Here dl R sin theta can be written as dl vector cross R vector. From the knowledge of cross product, I can write this as dl vector cross R vector. dl vector cross R vector divided by what? R cube, which is an expression for Biot-Savart law in which form? Vector form. So this is the vector form of the Biot-Savart law, and of course it is a scalar form of the Biot-Savart law. According to the Biot-Savart law, magnetic field dB is directly proportional to the current, directly proportional to dl, directly proportional to sin theta, and inversely proportional to square of the distance of a point from the current element. Okay.